Hello, welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. This is Jennifer Woolsey, your neighborhood Avon representative, friendly Avon representative, whatever you want to call me. Anyway, welcome to my bathroom. We are going to do a very quick makeup tutorial today, and I'm going to share with you what are the things you need to know before you become an Avon representative. Now, if some of my friends, our regular friends, are joining us today and they're like, I don't really know anything about wanting to become a representative, that's okay. Hang with me. We're still going to do some quick makeup tips. So I've already gone in this morning and done my morning skincare regimen. I'm using the Anew Ultimate Regimen, the face serum, the eye serum, and the day cream. I've already got a glow on this face, and I'm loving the glow that is starting. And then I'm going to go in with our Satin Veil Primer. And I've already primed my face. It is ready to go. So let's do some Cashmere Complexion Concealer and cover up these eyes. Oh, girl. Girl, girl. So I added back in my Olive Pro at night. I don't know why I had quit using it, but I added it back in and I can already tell a difference. Good morning, Cindy. I can already tell a difference in my eyes since I started adding it back in like 2 days ago. So if you've got eye issues, Olive Pro is what you need to go with. And there is a great deal on that right now, so you can message me for more information. So what do you need to know before you become an Avon representative? So here's the skinny. Currently, until the end of the year, it is free to open up an Avon account. What? Yes, free. Absolutely zero cost. Now, there is a second option if you are like, I don't want to do the free thing. No, that's not for me. I must pay. If you want to pay, there is a $30 business builder option where you'll get some brochures and you'll get some samples and some products and all that kind of stuff. But if you're like, no, I just want to open up an account and get a discount, it's free. And you get a free website. And you get all the free training. You get to join me, and I will be your mentor and help you along that journey. So, Cashmere Complexion Powder Foundation. Bam. I've got my little stippling brush here, and we're just going to go in and swirl and do a little bit of buffing action on this face. So, what does that mean? Open an Avon account. Well, here's the cool thing. As a new Avon representative, you're going to get a 25% discount off of any of the products you want for yourself, and a 25% profit on any products you may order for your friends, for your family, or if your friends and family order off of your free website. You're going to get 25% profit direct deposited in your checking account. And guess what? We're like 90-something days away from Christmas. So if you need the extra money, this is the time to hook yourself up. So let me do a little bit of buffing. So what's next? I hear you. Okay, Jennifer, so it's free, 25% discount. Get it. Okay, so if you're like, how do I really make extra money with Avon? Well, the cool thing is, as a new representative for your first 8 months as a representative, or no, 8 months, 2, 4, 6, 8, 4 months, Tattoo Station, we're going to use in brown on our brows. So for the first 4 months, you get to play in a program called Pathway to Premier. And in Pathway to Premier, there is $3,500 in bonus money. So how would that help you out for Christmas? Or for vacation, or whatever things that you're wanting to do with your family that maybe you're lacking the extra money to do. So that is the skinny on that. So I would personally walk you through the steps and be your coach and your mentor and help you to maximize on that $3,500 in bonus money. Once you've reached that, then you should be at a level that we call Premier, hence the pathway to Premier, and you would be earning 30% profit and a 30% bonus on all the things that you want to try, like this great tattoo station in brown for those brows, because you've got to have a great brow liner. So if you watch me in the mornings and you love all of these products that I use and you're like, how does she do all this? Here's the thing, I get a discount on everything I order. So maybe you just want, I'm going to show you a new look this morning. We're going to do Glimmer Shadow in shade Moonstone. So I'm going to show you guys how I do this. It's got this little doe foot applicator. So maybe you watch me in the mornings and you love all of the makeup I use. The cool thing is you could do an Avon account and just order the products that you want and maybe the ones you want to give as Christmas gifts and get a 25% discount. I mean, I don't know about you, but I love a discount. Totally love a discount. So I'm just putting a little bit on here and I'm going to just pat it into that eye area. So you also, as a new representative that joins my team, get to join a large support group where we have lots of people sharing ideas, tips and tricks, and we help coach you and mentor you along the way. So it's not like you sign up and you're by yourself. You've got help. If you want us, we are here. We will help you figure out what your desire level is, and I will personally coach you, mentor you, and guide you on the process. I love that Moonstone. What do you think? It's such a pretty color. And you could just totally do that for your morning eye look. If that's like, that's it, Jen. That's all I need. I'm good to go. You could totally rock it and be done. I'm going to add from one of our quads, and I have a lighter shade. We have a lighter shade in the liquid shadow that you could do this with. I just choose to do it with my powder, and I'm just going in around underneath my arch. I'm bringing it down. Ooh, girl, yes, rocking it. Okay, let's step in with our liquid SuperExtend liner and line these eyes while I tell you about another benefit. So the cool thing is, as an Avon representative, remember I said you got that free website? Well, you also get the opportunity to do fundraisers. So maybe there's some organizations that you're passionate about. You guys share with me, what are some organizations that y'all are passionate about? Maybe charities, like animal shelters, or for me, it's the MECP2 Duplication Foundation, or the 401 Project. That is the foundation that helps support a cure for my boy's syndrome. So as an Avon representative, I utilize the fundraising platform and do fundraisers. I gotta get this eye. There we go. And do fundraisers for our organization, which Avon gives me the benefit of figuring out how much I can donate, and then I just make the donation to the organization. Super cool. Everybody needs to be able to do fundraisers, right? We're definitely in a time when we all want to find a way to give back. Avon is also the largest corporate sponsor of Making Strides Against Breast Cancer, which is a collaboration with the American Cancer Society. Yes, I love the American Cancer Society. They don't fund other things. They really are looking for a cure for cancer. And so we are the largest corporate sponsor for that, and we sell pink ribbon products throughout the year that help raise funds. Plus you can do your own team, do your own fundraising. So that's pretty cool. Love Waterproof Mascara. Let's use this. We are going to love on these lashes. Now, maybe you're sitting there and you're like, okay, Jennifer, this all sounds great. Sign me up. I want to do this. But I want to tell you about one more thing. The fun part of an Avon business is You can bring your friends. You can bring your neighbors. Heck, you can bring your cousin across the country in, and they can do it with you. And you can earn a residual check every 2 weeks from Avon based on what you and your friends sell. So that's what we call beach money. Meaning that money to put away for your beach trips or for your cruises or maybe to help pay those bills. You see, I've been an Avon representative for 17 years. Yes, 17 years, and I've loved every single moment of it. And the blessing is I was able, about 6 years ago, I was able to leave my corporate job and become a full-time Avon representative. And what a blessing it was for my family to be able to be here with my kids full-time, be the hands-on mom that I always wanted to be. We're going to do Blush and Love palette. I'm going to pick up this blush and do a little kiss of it on the cheeks. So I was able to retire from my full-time job and come home to be with my kids. And, you know, they're special needs, and so it's definitely been a blessing to be able to be a full-time caregiver, but to do something that I love on the, you know, in the meantime. We have a band of Avon representatives that are, I'm doing the highlighter now, that love to work together, and we have fun together. I've met so many amazing friends on this journey, and the best part is, it's free. It's free. I'm not stuttering. We're going to do birthday balm and surprise this morning. Y'all ready? Still my favorite perfume. So with Avon, we have all kinds of things like the makeup I just shared with you. We have hair care by Chi. We have Chi hair tools. We have skincare from the Knox to Belief. We have jewelry, we have clothing, we have fashion. Check out this necklace I'm just gonna put on. It's so pretty. We have jewelry, we have fashion, we have home, like laundry soap, we have stain remover, we have dish soap, hand soap, body lotion, of course, the amazing Skin So Soft, and all of those great products that you will love to share with your friends, with your family, or maybe just order for yourself and get a discount. So here is the final details. You want to go to www.youravon.com/jwoolsey, and I'm going to put that in the link for you so that you can click on it and go straight there. Click on Become a Representative, fill it out, and as long as you make sure you put the J Woolsey, WOLSEY, you're going to be linked and connected to me. To me, yes. So you can come on in the mornings and learn how to do different types of makeup things with me. You can ask me all the questions that you have, and you can get connected with our community and really be a part of something to help your family, to have better days, and to make more money. Or just get a discount. I mean, it's free. This is to me like a no-brainer. If you love makeup, if you love fashion, then why would you not open up your own account? I mean, come on. So these are all the things that I think you need to know before you open an Avon account. So as always, if you have questions, I'm trying to put this earring in. As always, if you have questions, you can private message me. You can drop it here in the comments, or you can go to my website and check it out, and for sure ask me any questions through there. And let's get you going. Let's help you start earning the extra money that you need and getting that discount that you want. Thank you guys so much for getting ready with me this morning. I hope that you have a fantastic day, and I love you. Bye, guys.